Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning from our village and welcome to my this video. This video is going to be super interesting. It's because today you are going to thrive your listening skill and speaking skill as well. It's because today I'm going to practice my English and I'm going to show you what's the process of my practicing. Okay, I actually want to make you understand which way I usually try to practice and how I usually practice. So by this video you'll be able to see everything and I'll try to show you, I'll try to convince you everything by telling English. And you can see behind me and around me, everywhere is foggy right now because it's morning and I said you good morning, and I think you understood this that it's morning. So in winter season in the morning is really misty, everywhere is misty. So but right now the sun is rising up. I don't know if you are being able to see it or not, but I'll try to show you. And you know that right now I'm standing on a field and there are a lot of grasses on this field, and the grasses has got wet by mist. I mean the everywhere is foggy, so fog are falling on the what should I tell? Fog are falling on the grasses, and the grasses is getting wet, and it's normal. It always happens when it's winter season, and since it's winter season, you should. I think you should understand, you should remember, and you should learn some winter related vocabulary. Among them, there is fog means mist, and foggy means misty. And you can say everywhere, when everywhere is dense, you can say everywhere is foggy and everywhere is dense, and uh, no one can see anything. If anyone is just far distant, is if anyone just close, uh, we or he or she can see anything little bit but not much. It's because it always foggy in the winter morning, but right now the fog are getting removed because the sun is rising and the sun is shining, and I think you're being able to see that uh, my face is shining for the sun. It's because sun has already risen up, and it's really amazing having the look of sun rising. It's really amazing to see, and I really tell you, please practice every day. And that I'm doing. Actually, I'm making this video and I'm practicing as well, so that I can improve my speaking and I can improve my fluency, so that no one can seize me while speaking, and I can't, so that I don't get seized while speaking. Actually, when you will try to talk to a people, you might get seized during speaking. You might feel diffidence, but you might feel uh, diffident. You might feel shy, but I personally tell you, just try to practice lonely. That then you'll be able to talk to the people publicly. That doesn't matter. That when I started my English journey, I just used to practice a lot, and when I was a beginner, I just was afraid while talking to people in English. But now I am not shy. I am not. I have no inertia. I have no dividends to learn English. It's because I practice a lot, and still I am practicing my English. And every day I learn vocabularies. I practice, and I just try to bring new vocabularies so that I can be an expert. I can be a dexterous in English. And what should I show you? And actually, you can see there's a electricity pillar there. It is, and you can see uh, actually this has been uh, set for just taking the wire of electricity, and you can just practice like this, and you can see a worker uh, behind behind me. A worker is coming and calling me, "Hey bro, what are you doing?" I just told, I'm not just telling anything because I'm not feeling shy. When you just try to practice, any people might go past you, any people might go beside you, but you shouldn't care them. You just keep practicing, and you just, if you try to learn English, I have a suggestion for you. Just try to improve your speaking by making videos. When I just started my English journey, I just used to make a lot of videos that I never uploaded because I made a lot of mistakes. You also can make a lot of videos. There might be some mistakes, grammatical mistakes, but when you will listen your video, you will be able to catch where your wrong is, where your mistake is. So that's it for today. I don't want to extend my this video as well, and every day I just try to extend my video just for you guys, so that you can learn everything from me, and you can get the right suggestion from me, and you can believe that I can speak in English. And if you watch my video every day, please, I have a request, please consider subscribing my channel. And you know that to making video is really hard, and if I make video publicly is really hard and so difficult, and I gotta face a lot of uh, difficulty level difficulty. So that's why I tell, please subscribe my channel, and if you if this video was good for you, please like and comment, and keep practicing every day, keep watching my video every day, and I will be uploading video every day. And try to comment if you have any question, or if you have any inquiry to learn English, please try to comment on the comment box. And yeah, that's it. Take care. Until this next video, I will be back in next video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.